Hey friends, buddy here. It is March 30th, 2020, and I'm going to do this little video about if you could spare $10 a month, you could become financially free. And one of the great things about this program is it is worldwide and it's phenomenal. It's been around, it's debt free, great system. This is called All-in-One Profits. And All-in-One Profits provides you with all these online tools that you could use to grow your online business. Okay, so just go in here a little bit, and I'm going to tell you about everything. Okay, so this is 100% payout, basic level, affordable. It's only $10 a month for basic membership. There is a upgradable membership. It's $20 a month, and that pays out $15 commissions. So you can break even with your first referral. One single referral will set you free. Earn $10 to $15 a month for every referral in your downline. You can earn a fast start bonus as pro for only $20 a month. Unlimited income, 1,000 to 5,000 to 10,000, as much as you want. Rapid payouts within 24 hours, usually much quicker. An exclusive and an innovative commission system, replicated affiliate site, your own central back office to access all the web tools, automatic follow-up to your prospects, pro autoresponder, premium web hosting, splash squeeze page builder, link tracker and rotator, advertising, and it's got an e-learning library. So, I've been looking at this system for a long time, and you know, why not join it in these times? If you can afford $10 a month, this could put you to your financial freedom. You just got to share this with friend people, and the way this system works is, okay, so this is the compensation plan. Every odd number, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, every sale that you make is going to be passed up to your sponsor. So if you make 3 sales, your second sale is going to be passed up to your sponsor. If you make, over that, your fourth, sixth, eighth is going to be passed up to your sponsor. So, the cool thing about this is, you're going to be able to leverage off of your teammates with this. You get what I'm saying? So you keep the first sale, the third sale, the fifth sale, seventh, ninth, 11th, 13th, all the way up to infinity. You're going to keep the odd sales, and then the second sales are going to be passed up to your sponsor. So this is where it starts getting good. Okay, so those sales that you your first sale, your third sale, your fifth sale, when they start bringing in people, they're going to be passing up their odd number sales up to you, and that's going to go all the way to infinity with this system. So you can see where I'm going with this. You just, with the measly $10 a month. Okay, so this is a little graph. When you get 9 sales, that's going to be $90 residual income that's going to be coming in every month. Once you start getting 27 people under you, it's going to be $270 a month. And this is just off of a scale of making, getting 3 people and then helping your people get 3 people. The cool thing about this is you do not have to make the sale in order for the scale to start paying you. Okay, so you just want to get, basically the concept is you get 3 people, which is, $10 a piece, and then you help those 3 people get 3 people also. And that just goes on and on and on. You can go down levels and levels deep and start earning $7,290 a month residual income just from this $10 a month. And what I like about All-in-One Profits is you can pay it forward. You can buy your own certificates for three people certificate, a 5 people certificate, and a 7-person certificate. You can buy certificates and give these away to get people signed up under you. So you can learn how to pay it forward. You can buy 3 and then just get 3 people under you, and then teach the people under you to do the same. And before you know it, you're earning a huge income. So this is the all-in-one profits. What you're going to want to do to get started is check that link out in the description. If you have any questions about all-in-one profits, then you're going to check out my cell number that's going to be in the description. That's 360-441-3363, and my Facebook link's going to be down there also. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, because when you do, you're going to hear more about opportunities like all-in-one profits or these other money-making opportunities that I'm a part of. So if you want to turn just a measly $10 into a life-changing income, this is where you're going to do it. It's all-in-one profits. This is worldwide. You can grow your business by making YouTube videos or social media. The sky's the limit. The word of mouth is the most powerful way of advertising here today. So if you have friends online or whatever, or if you have family that wants to make money, then get them in on this. Check that link out in the description. This is my review on all-in-one profits. I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.